Hello everyone, and welcome to the Helen Show, featuring Helen and her new guest star. There's Helen.
Hello everyone, I'm Helen, of course, who's in my show, hopefully. And now we have the most awesome guest star ever. He's like small enough that I can hold him. Here, welcome the neighborhood squirrel! Woo! Take this quick, we have an appointment at the neighborhood. Hello, neighborhood squirrel. He just got back to Germany. What is his problem? He has major nail bones and he has major breakouts. He doesn't like to talk about them in public. Also, his breakouts? Don't say it out loud. He'll get embarrassed. He's camera shy. It's okay. No. He has germ issues. Sit down. Okay then. Do you have problems with this? No. This is my dog and he has breakouts. This is like neighborhood squirrel, but it's a breed of a dog. Oh my god. We're late for our appointment. God. Well, next I heard that.
Got a little anchorman issue. Whoa! Okay, see you next show on Helen! Woo! Bye!